Hello, today I will be talking about the largest bird. There are multiple birds that are largest in different ways. We are going to start off with the largest flying bird that is alive, which is the Andean condor. The Andean condor can weigh about 30 pounds, and it has a wingspan of 10 feet, which makes it the largest flying bird that is still alive. This is an Andean condor compared to a human-sized door to show how big it is. The next bird is a Laysan albatross. It is not larger than the Andean condor, but it holds a record for the largest wingspan, which is larger than the Andean condor. The Laysan albatross has a wingspan of 12 feet. The Andean condor and the Laysan albatross are about the same height, but the Andean condor is still bigger because of its weight and wingspan mixed together. The Laysan albatross's wingspan and weight mixed together is not enough to beat the Andean condor. The Laysan albatross and the Andean condor are only the largest for flying birds. The real largest of all the living birds is the ostrich. The ostrich is about 9 feet tall, just a little bit larger than the average human. But the largest bird that ever lived is not alive anymore. It was called the moa. This particular giant one was called the giant moa, and its height was 12 feet tall. This is the giant moa compared to a door. The female was taller than the male. The male was about the size of a normal ostrich. The female was the one that was 12 feet. We talked about the largest flying that is still alive, but I will now show you the largest flying ever. The first one is the Pelagornis. It looks very similar to the albatross and had double its wingspan of 20 feet. And with the Pelagornis, it's a very similar case for with the Laysan albatross and the Andean condor. There is another bird that is the largest flying bird that ever lived. It was called the Argentavis. The Pelagornis had longer wingspan, but the Argentavis was still bigger. The Argentavis was like a giant vulture. It is no longer living, just like the Pelagornis, and is really closely related to the condors. It weighed over 100 pounds, and its wingspan was very similar to the Pelagornis, but the Pelagornis was still longer. The wingspan was around 20. Now you know the world's largest birds. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.